everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1957 Chevrolet. This is actually a 210. It's a Black Widow tribute car. Obviously, it's not real. But very nicely done car, man. This is really a slick, solid, straight old 57 Chevy, guys. You can see it's finished in Onyx black, in India Ivory. Love the wheels on it. Matter of fact, my buddy put those on there he's been saving those wheels, he said. Those are Radir wheels, and it's got the $400 spinner caps on it. Super cool car, man. Good running 350 crate engine underneath the hood with the Holley EFI Sniper. I have ordered a new, you guys can see this little C is bent. I've ordered a new Chevrolet, so that's on the way, guys. But man, just a cool car. Very nicely done. Restored in 2019, so very recent restoration. And like I say, really nicely done car. You can see they've replaced most of the chrome and stainless. Most of that's all new. You can see the bullets are new. Dale said those are $200 and some. Paint's really slick. Pretty car, man. New bumpers, front and rear. All new glass. And a fun car to bang the gears. 4-speed, manual transmission, tubular front suspension. Wipers work, they're electric. Fit and finish is really nice. Pretty car, man. Sorry, guys. Got all the Fuelie emblems and flags. Again, it's not a real car, not a real Widow. I wish, but and it'd be in a little bit different price range. Again, new bumpers. So, little mark over here on your paint. It's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car, man. Really nice car. He said there's not many miles on this car since he got it done. Look how straight that thing is down the sides. Pretty color combination. Love the black and ivory. Again, if you're into nostalgic wheels, you're gonna love those Raiders. But he said that's a company still family owned. A little wax there on the edge, guys. Nice and flat down the sides, though. Car's nice and clean underneath. Again, sorry about the ugly emblem. Got that on the way. Power disc brakes on the front. All new front suspension. Again, it's a late model crate 350. You can see it's got the center bolt valve covers in it. Holley Sniper EFI kit. It's got Edelbrock Air Gap intake, ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, new steering box, CPP tubular upper and lower control arms with a front sway bar, HEI distributor, vintage heat and air, yes it works. Aluminum radiator, it's got a flex fan on the front, it's got an electric fan which there's a switch for inside. You can go ahead and open up the doors and the deck lid. 4-speed manual trans. Look at the paint on this car, man. And again, other than a couple little stone pecks, there's not a whole lot to nitpick on the car. I love this look, man. I think I said the wipers are electric, they work. Again, all new glass, new door handles. This interior's all new. You can see the new door rubbers. I love this pattern. This is the, it's a factory pattern. It's the black and silver cloud pattern, they call it. New carpet, new sill plates. Factory bench seat. As you can see, it's got a tilt column in it. Now this is a retro 59 steering wheel. There is a switch under here, which I'll show you for your interior light. All your dash lights work, the gauges all work. Fuel pump, which I think is actually, now he said you don't even have to touch that, it's automatically on. Electric fan, there's your interior light. It's showing 68,581. I have no idea what the real miles are in the car, guys. It's you know, 168, 268, but he said there's not a whole lot of miles on the car since the car's been restored. Done in 2019. We are gonna have to take a look at this speedo. When I went to drive it, it started to move, and I think it might have come unclipped on the back. There's your stuff for your controller for the EFI. Radio's mounted underneath the passenger seat. Dual exhaust, factory style rear end with a 350 limited slip rear gear. Dust, a little crack there in the paint. I love the color combination, man. Again, it's all body color in here. Everything opens and closes real nice. Again, clean underneath. Just a good, straight, honest old car, guys. If you're looking for a fun driver, something to bang the gears, I think you'll have a blast with it. One of my favorite interiors. I love the Delray. The Delray is my favorite. But I like this interior too. They're just different. They're just cool. And all this stuff is new. Oh, radio is mounted under here. Again, we'll take a look at that speedo. I think it's just on a clip. If I remember right, those come, they're clipped in the back. You can go ahead and start it up, Dale. Again, it is EFI, so you don't have to really do anything but turn the key. You don't have to pump it or anything like that. And the glass is nice. Click your air on. I think you got to push the button in. It'll light up blue. I know the air works. There it goes. Yep. It's good, Dale. Little mini alternator on it's pretty cool. Give it a little rev, Dale. That drives great too. It's got the electric fan on it. Like I say, it's got a flex fan and the electric fan, which is nice. This thing should run nice and cool. Pretty car. Oh, that's a pretty car. Parking brake does work. Temp gauge works. Fuel gauge works. Again, we just got to check on that speedo. Also, all the dash lights worked. The turn signal indicators inside work. I think I said the parking brake is all hooked up and works. Brake lights. I think yeah. Yep. Turn signals. Yep, turn signals all work. There's no reverse lights on it. Give it a little rev, Dale. It's got great sound. I don't even know if we're gonna mess with the radio. You can see there's your EFI unit. Again, all the blower motor works. Wipers work too, Dale. Again, stuff opens and closes real nice. Yeah, we might have a parking lot out. You're good. Yeah, Probably just a connection. Yeah, we'll have to check that light. Yeah. Turn that one on. There you go. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us. Start going backwards, Dale, so you can see it in reverse. Another way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Oh, he's coming out. Have a great day, guys.